The STIHL AK system of tools is a great option for the home gardener who wants the ease of battery power with our famous STIHL quality. For those of you who have trees to prune and firewood to chop, a cordless chainsaw is a really useful tool in the garden, and our AK system of chainsaws are packed full of features to help you get the job done quickly. First in the range is the MSA 120CB, a lightweight cordless chainsaw that is quiet and easy to use. It comes with our quick chain tensioning as standard, so you can tighten the chain without tools. Simply release the sprocket cover and turn the thumb wheel to loosen or tighten the chain. It also has our Ematic chain lubrication system, which uses up to 50% less chain oil, and the QuickStop Super chain brake. The chain stops running either when the front handguard is switched on or when you release the rear handle. The STIHL electric motor is extremely energy efficient too, so the recommended AK20 battery will last up to 40 minutes in the MSA 120, which will give you around 120 cuts in 10 by 10 centimetre timber. The MSA 140CB has all of these great features, but with more power so you can get the job done even quicker. If you use the AK30 battery with this chainsaw, it will run for up to 45 minutes and give you around 180 cuts in 10 by 10 centimetre timber. We recommend that you use the AK30 to get full power from the MSA 140CB. You can use the AK20, but it will operate with reduced power. Both saws come with a 30cm guide bar and our 1/4" Pico Micro 3 saw chain, which gives an excellent cut but with low vibrations. And the soft grip rear handles give you a comfortable grip at all times. You can check how much charge you have left with the LED display on the battery. And you can easily check the level of chain oil in your chainsaw too with the transparent oil tank. These saws are both part of the STIHL Lithium-Ion AK battery system, which uses interchangeable 36-volt batteries. The batteries will fit any tool in the range. The range of tools includes lawnmowers, hedge trimmers, a grass trimmer, a leaf blower, a lawn scarifier, and 2 cordless chainsaws. To operate either chainsaw, just click in the battery, release the chain brake, and pull up the trigger. You don't need to force the saw through the cut. Just let the chain do the work, and remember to keep your saw chain sharp too. Always read the manual before using a chainsaw, and don't forget to wear the correct personal protective equipment. When using a chainsaw, you should be wearing cut-retardant chaps or trousers, cut-retardant boots or wellies, goggles, gloves, and a visor. Where there is a risk of falling objects, you should also be wearing a helmet.